Hi, today we are going to see the 54th stotra. Somapo Amridapa Soma Purujit Purusattama Vinayo Jaya Satya Sandho Dasharha Satvadapadihi. Somapa. Somapa means Bhagavan who drinks the Soma juice in the yajnas in the form of deity which is invoked by the person who is doing the yajna. That means when we do a yajna, the person who is doing the yajna will be given the offerings to Bhagavan. So those offerings will be taken by Bhagavan and he will bless with the person who is doing the yajna. And he will receive any offering in all the rituals, whether it is for his deity or whether it is for any other deity. Amridapa. Amridapa means Bhagavan who drinks the drink of immortal bliss, which is his own nature. Bhagavan will bless with everybody with the immortal bliss. That is the one we all are waiting to get. And that bliss, or that is called Amrita, or it is called Amrita Tattva. It is not the honey or something that Amritam, it is also the Tattvam or the teachings or the knowledge about what life is or what's the power of Bhagavan. That is called Amrita. And the infinite truth, or we know that in the Palai Madaram, in the Shirabdi, we got the Amrita. And what happened is that the Asura took away and Bhagavan Vishnu had to take the Mohini Avadaram to recover the Amritam from the Asura and to give it to Devas. Soma. Soma means the moon. The moon has a special power because the moon shines in the night. So at that time, it invigorates the plant. That means the Bhagavan Chandra or the moon will nourish the plant kingdom with essential sap, which has lot of enriched food value in its fruit, grain, or the vegetable that it is producing. That's why when the sun is important, in the same way the moon is also important. That's why Bhagavan's two eyes are sun and the moon. Purushottama. We can also say Purush Sattama. Both are the same meaning. Purush means the omnipresent. That means he is perfect in everything. And Sattama means absolute reality. Bhagavan is in the cosmic dimension and he is of great value in the sense he is most important who gives value to the Sattama. Sattama means Satvigam, one who thinks good, do good, act good. Vinaya. Vinaya means who is humble. Also, he can also be Vinay. First Vinaya means humble. Next Vinay means destruction to the persons who is following adharma. So Vinaya means supreme humility that will be given to the person. It depends on how we are. If you are a good person who follows the dharmam, then that time Bhagavan will bless with everything. But once we are going towards adharmam, Bhagavan tries to take that path away and make him follow the dharma. He is always on the side of path and righteousness, that is truth. Jaya. Jaya means who is victorious over all beings anytime, anywhere. So he can conquer everything. no matter where it is, what it is, and who it is. Satya Sandha. Satya means truth. Sandha means who resolve by becoming truth always. You can solve problems in two different ways. First thing, you can solve it by being truth and following dharma. The other one, you can go the other way, telling that okay, the lie is the best, or the adharma, that path is good. So Bhagavan is all. So Bhagavan will always follow only the path of truth, even to solve problem. Any problem, he will follow only the truth. That's why he is called, truthful resolution is called Sankalpa. That means when you are in focusing on something, when you do the Sankalpam, you can feel that it's presence. So that's why when you dream of something, it will happen. So keep thinking that good things will happen. So that vibration can make a magic thing which will really come in future. And Dasharha. Dasha means the charitable offering. And therefore, Bhagavan is deserving all the offerings that is given to him. Even if it is like something that we think it's a sloka or banana or fruit or one leaf or one water, Bhagavan accept it. And the thing is that there are 5 things Bhagavan will always give importance. One means how we resolve or manage things. What tool we are using to resolve? Is it the words? Is it the action? Is it the truth? Is it the dharma? So all these things Bhagavan give importance. The second one is thought, what we think. Third one is feelings, what we feel or give emotions. Fourth one is the words. And fifth one is the actions. Resolve, thought, feelings, words, actions, and Bhagavan will give all the 5 things only based on the truth. For resolution, he does the truth thing. For the thought, he always think the true way. And for the feelings, he gives the true feelings. And for the words, that words will be true, that comes from the heart. And the actions will be true enough. We should not do the cunning things. What happens is that later on it will become a habit. It will be difficult for us to change. Satvadam Pati. Satvada means one who follows the Satvigam. Satvigam means one who thinks good, do good, act good. And everything they will follow only the Dharma. And the Pati means who is the Lord. The Bhagavan is the Lord for all the Satviga people. So his name is Satvikam Pati. And he is given importance to the people who is true devotion to Bhagavan. And there is one thing that Bhagavan says in Gita, like even when the heaven falls down, even when the earth tumbles down, even when the Himalayas crush, even when the oceans dry, that is the kind of extreme point, that heaven falling down, earth tumbling down, Himalaya crushing, because Himalaya is the place where Bhagavan is there, Shiva Bhagavan. And ocean dry, ocean is the place Vishnu Bhagavan is there. And I will always say truth. My word uttered shall never be in vain. My words will never go wasted or it will not go in the other way. My words will always follow truth. Trust my words. These are the words that Krishna Bhagavan says, that I will always stand for dharma. Here we are seeing Somapa, Amritapa, Soma, Purujit, Purushottama, Vinaya, Jaya, Satyasandha, Dasharka, Sattva-dampadi. Somapo, Amritapa, Soma, Purujit, Purushottama, Vinayo, Jaya, Satyasandho, Dasharka, Sattva-dampadi.